I have a cold, as you might be able to hear, and I saw this recipe online. I'll link to it in the description. But it's basically a whole lemon, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic, some cayenne, and some honey. I'm gonna use ground ginger and garlic rather than making my own, just because I want to save time in trying this right out. A few drops of honey to help it go down, and then it sounds like it's pretty spicy. But then I'm warming up the water right now. I will let you know how this works, and I'll link to the original video in the description. But I'll also let you know, because I just wanted to try this and see if this helps with the cold that I've recently had. I've had it for about 4 or 5 days now. So I started with a sore throat, now it's just a runny nose and everything. And I'll make this cocktail and see if this helps and let you know. Okay, I've got everything in except for the honey, the garlic, ginger, cayenne pepper. I'll put all the ingredients below, along with the juice from one lemon. Looks kind of spicy. I will stir while I'm stirring. I will put in a few drops of the honey, and I think the honey just helps it go down. But you want to stir it while you're doing it, so I'll put the camera down and do that, because otherwise it'll stick together on the bottom. And so you want to make sure you're stirring the honey in. And I'll also pour in a little of this hot water that I've got here. And I'll take one more shot when the thing's full. Okay, I've got everything in there. I added a little bit of cold water after I stirred, just to even it out. I start with really hot water, then stir, then add in a little bit of cold water at the top. Hopefully this is what your mixture looks like. I have never tried this before. And make sure the honey's not sticking to the bottom or anything. This is what it should look like. Doesn't look very appetizing, but we are going to give it a shot here, if the camera can focus. Let me try it. Woo, that is spicy. It's going to make you sweat, but it doesn't taste too bad with all the lemon and a little bit of honey. It doesn't taste too bad. Hopefully it'll clear out my sinuses. I'm not sure if it'll actually do anything to help my immune system fight off the cold virus. That's what the common cold kind of is. That's why there is no cure for the common cold, because it's different strains of viruses. And antibiotics won't do anything against the virus. All you can do is treat the symptoms, really, and give yourself as much water and rest as possible. But this is how you make it. I'll put the ingredients list below. Tastes not bad. Not bad, actually. See you guys later.